Is star Ae Aurigae on fire? No. Even though Ae Aurigae is named the Flaming Star and the surrounding nebula, IC 405 is named the Flaming Star Nebula, and even though the nebula appears to some like a swirling flame, there is no fire. Fire, typically defined as the rapid molecular acquisition of oxygen, happens only when sufficient oxygen is present and is not important in such high-energy, low-oxygen environments such as stars. The bright star, Ae Aurigae, occurs near the center of the flaming star nebula and is so hot it glows blue, emitting light, so energetic it knocks electrons away from surrounding gas. When a proton recaptures an electron, light is emitted as seen in the surrounding emission nebula. Captured here 3 weeks ago, the Flaming Star Nebula is visible near the composite image center, between the red, Tadpole Nebula on the left and blue-tailed Comet ZTF on the right. The Flaming Star Nebula lies about 1,500 light-years distant, spans about 5 light-years, and is visible with a small telescope toward the constellation of the Auriga.